this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, the mobile office package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, your tow hitch receiver, we got a backup camera, as well as a Pro Access tailgate, which allows you to have easier access to your bed with a nice spray-in bed liner. Got some outlets, you can turn your bed lights on or off, hooks and doodads, measurements on the gate, and it is powered so it will go up and down automatically. Mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards. And looking at our mirrors here, we got side view camera, turn light and spotlight indicated with blind spot detection. And moving to the front here, we do get recovery hooks with front park sensing, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle's a seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpet interior with flat fold storage system, cup holders and storage, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs with rear vents, 120 volt, and of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space. And we do get this lovely split folding rear bench seat, which provides extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, power folding mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, B&O sound system, auto stop start lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 407 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Taking a look at our main screen here, we have My View, Trip and View, your heads-up display, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Taking a look to my right here, we got our cup holders, our storage, our gear select that is collapsible. We have wireless charging pad with some outlets, and it does close. You got your center console here that does turn into an interior work surface. You can put a laptop here, your phone, your food, paperwork, anything you can think of, and you do get your normal storage underneath. Looking here, we have our drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive with trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, with heated and cooled front seats with dual climate, with our heated front steering wheel, 12 volt and 120, storage above, below, and on the dash. We do get this nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter. We got our park sensing, you can turn on or off, and our Ford's BLUECRUISE, which is Ford's highway self-driving. And we got our hazards, traction, media controls, and 360 view of the vehicle. Looking at our audio here, we have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, any apps you may download show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FC03307, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.